Welcome to the Cloud Computing and Amazon Web Services Overview course. I'm Nitin Patil, the founder of Cloud9 Apps, where we build apps and online courses in the areas of cloud computing, DevOps, smart home, mobile, and WordPress. I've worked as an architect and developer for several years on cloud deployments and building applications on top of Amazon Web Services, also known as AWS. With this course, my goal is to give you a practical overview of cloud computing and AWS. Here is a quick outline of the course.
This course focuses on three goals. First, it provides an overview of cloud computing and Amazon Web Services, also known as AWS. Second, it provides you a good foundational understanding of few key AWS services. Third, it provides an overview of best practices in cloud. Note that this course is focused on a practical approach to cloud and how you should approach and run applications in cloud. It is not geared towards any specific cloud certification.